Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We are from usethebitcoin.com and today we are going to give you the latest crypto update. So look at your chart right now. It's bloody red. Okay, so the majority of the coins are red, the majority of the coins are down. If Bitcoin is down, the general sentiment of the market is also down. Okay. Now, if you're going to check Bitcoin, we are now trading at around 56,000 levels. Okay, 56,958 to be exact. Okay, and it's really moving quite fast. I'm really surprised with the move of Bitcoin for today. Okay, because I was really hoping that Bitcoin would bounce back from the 60,000 levels. Okay, so around these areas. All right. So not only me, but most of the traders are really hoping to see Bitcoin bounce back from those levels. Okay, but unfortunately, it didn't happen. And as you can see, it is still going down, and it's going down fast. Okay, so I don't know what's happening, but if you're going to analyze the chart, the next support levels for Bitcoin would be at around these levels. Okay, so let's check that. That's around 51 or 52,000 to 50,000 levels. Okay. And if we are also going to turn on our moving averages, okay, so there you go. Our 200 moving average is also the same with the last level of support. Okay. That is around 51,000 levels. So since Bitcoin already broke its area right there, so there is a big potential for Bitcoin to really revisit that area. Okay, so let's measure that. Okay, so let's start from here going here. Okay, so wow. All right, so that's around 15 to 14% dive. Okay, and yeah, it hurts. It hurts seeing your money going down. It hurts seeing your asset going down. But yeah, the market will really humble you. Okay. But anyways, let's continue to observe this coin, and let's just continue to check other coins. We also have Ethereum. Okay. All right. So for Ethereum, we are also near our 200 MA moving average. Okay. And same with Bitcoin, we are also down. We are below the 100 moving average. Okay. And yeah, the crypto market is so wild right now. I don't know why is this happening. But if we are going to analyze the chart, our next support levels would be at around these areas. Okay. And I personally think that in the next few days or in the next few hours, Ethereum would continue to go down and even reach this 200 MA moving average. And by that, I want to see Ethereum bounce back from those levels. Okay, I really hope to see Ethereum to bounce back again because man, this is just too deep. Okay, let's measure this one. Okay, so from this candle, and let's say that it would really reach this level, so that's around 8% loss already. Okay, so what is happening in the crypto space as of the moment? Now let's open another coin. Okay, so we have Solana. All right. So for Solana, same with Ethereum, it's near the 200 MA moving average. So I'm really expecting that in the next few hours or in the next few days, maybe we could reach these areas right there. Okay, so but for now, we are already at the support levels. Okay, the support levels right here. And I hope that Solana would bounce back from these levels because to be honest, if you're going to check my trading portfolio, my biggest asset is Solana. Okay. I spent most of my money with Solana because I do believe that this coin has a big potential, especially for the past few months. Okay. It remains so strong here. And yeah, I'm really hoping to see that kind of movement in the future. I am hoping to see it bounce from these levels here. Okay, hopefully that is the final wave of this crypto sell off because my portfolio is red and I'm not happy with that. But anyways, if it will continue to go down, then I will just keep on buying it at these levels, okay? Because as what I've said, I'm really optimistic with this coin. I do believe in its potential. So yeah, let's just keep on observing this coin in the next few days. All right, now for our last coin, let's open BNB. Now for BNB, okay, wow. Okay, as you can see, we are still in an uptrend with BNB. Okay, we are still good with BNB. Although it's also breaking its 50 MA here, but I do believe that we are still in an uptrend. Okay, as you can see, this low is still higher than this low. So let's just hope that it will continue to bounce back from those levels. Okay. To be honest, BNB is quite boring for the past few months. Okay, if you're going to check this one, we are just consolidating. We are just in a sideways move. Okay, nothing much is happening, but it's quite amazing that BNB remains so strong. Okay, even though other cryptocurrencies are now down, even though most of the cryptocurrencies, the altcoins and meme coins and the AI coins are down, but for BNB it remains strong. Okay. What I'm hoping for BNB is I want BNB to break out from this box in the next few days. I want it to bounce back from the 50 MA moving average. Okay. And I want to buy it if it goes like this one. All right. So as you can see, okay, I want to buy it at this letter B right here. If it breaks out of its consolidation box and then if it retests this area right here. So that is an ideal setup for me. But as of now, I think that it won't happen soon. Okay. We might be seeing some drops in the future because, as what I've mentioned, if Bitcoin is down, then most of the cryptocurrencies will be down as well, and it might pull BNB as well. Okay, but for now, based on charts alone, I can say that BNB is the strongest among all of those coins that were mentioned for this video. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you so much again for watching. Just keep on observing the current move of Bitcoin. And yeah, we will just be updating you guys to our newsletter. Okay, so be sure to subscribe to our newsletter. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to our newsletter because we will be sending you the freshest crypto updates directly to your inbox. Thank you so much again for watching. Until next time, have a great day. Peace out.